Welcome back to Unpacking Blockchain Technology. I'm your host, Thabiso Njoko, and today we are stepping into one of the most important features of blockchain, which are smart contracts. These are not contracts in the legal sense. They are not made out of paper, there are no lawyers, there are no signatures, but they're changing the way we do business or make deals or automate trust. A smart contract is a self-executing piece of code that lives on the blockchain. It runs exactly as programmed, and once deployed, no one can change it. Think of a digital vending machine. You put in the right input, say crypto, and the machine gives you an output, maybe an NFT or a token or an access to an app. There is no middleman, no delay, no room for manipulation. Once the contract is live, it does what it says every time. Smart contracts eliminate the need for third parties. Let's say you're hiring a freelancer. Instead of trusting a platform or escrow service, a smart contract can hold the funds and release them automatically when the work is approved. Or imagine crowdfunding. You can create a contract that only releases funds if the project reaches a certain goal. No goal, no funds released. It's transparent, trustless, and automated. Smart contracts are written in code, for example, using Solidity on Ethereum. Here's a simplified breakdown. A contract is coded with the terms: if person A sends 1 Ethereum to the contract, then transfer 1 digital ticket to their wallet. Once deployed on the blockchain, the contract is public and immutable. When the conditions are met, the contract executes automatically. It doesn't ask for permission, it doesn't check in with a server, it just works. Smart contracts are being used across industries: in finance, real estate, insurance, gaming, art and music. In Eswatini and across Africa, this tech could transform how we do business, handle payments, and build trust in emerging markets. But let's be honest, smart contracts, too, are not that perfect. Bugs in code can cause major losses. Once deployed, they are hard to fix. If the logic is wrong, it executes anyways. They can't access off-chain data without external tools like oracles. That's why auditing is critical. You must review and test the code before going live. Smart contracts are not magic. They're tools, powerful ones. They allow us to automate trust, remove friction, design systems that run on code, not on promises. If Web 2 gave us platforms, Web 3 is giving us protocols, and smart contracts are the backbone. That's it for today. If this helped you better understand smart contracts, share it with someone building in Web 3 space or just getting started. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a 5-star review, and follow me on socials. I'm happy to hear your thoughts or answer any questions. Next time, we'll be exploring something called DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. What happens when companies are run by code, not CEOs? Until then, see you on the next one.